In a world of modern security, adaptability and reliability are paramount. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our FoldSmart bifolding gate, designed for continuous duty use in a wide variety of applications. The FoldSmart Gate is more than just a security barrier. It's a fully engineered system meticulously crafted by sole source manufacturing. FoldSmarts are engineered and designed to save time and space. When seconds count, our FoldSmart delivers. With an impressive 8-second opening time, the quick travel cycle helps to accurately control traffic in the busiest environments. Folding gates don't require as much operational room when compared to traditional gates, allowing for multiple lane configuration with minimal impact to real estate. Modular on-site construction for quick economic delivery and seamless installation. Gates are factory tested and fit prior to shipping to ensure a seamless install. All gates are ASTM compliant direct from factory. Our UL 325 operator is the versatile brains of the operation. Driven by efficient dual DC motors for seamless gate travel on gates up to 30 feet. Fully integrated PLC with 24 programmable options ensures seamless integration with overall site security plan. Additional built-in battery backup, standard on all gates, allows for continuous operation with no negative impact due to power loss. Our gates are built in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and tested under the harshest conditions possible. Maintenance is inevitable, but we have you covered. Front-end engineering on a single source design reduces the likelihood of downtime due to service and maintenance. If parts are required, the modular design allows for quick replacement of parts within 24 hours. 24/7 tech support adds an additional layer to keep you up and running when it matters most. Customization is the key to meeting an ever-changing security environment. All FoldSmarts are built to customer specifications. Choose from customized infill to specialized anti-climb and finishes to suit your project requirements. The FoldSmart Gate is more than a security solution. It's a testament to adaptability and reliability. When you choose the FoldSmart, you choose excellence. Ready to elevate your security? Contact us today to learn how the FoldSmart Gate can revolutionize your access control and safeguard what matters most. Wallace Perimeter Security.